Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this template 1-inch IPS touchscreen special for Hyundai IX45 Santa Fe 2013 to 2017 years. Okay, let me introduce this dash kit. Will come with head unit. Okay. Their installed parts also will come with head unit. Left and right also will come. This is special harness for Hyundai IX5. This power cable and harness will come with. Okay, let me introduce. You can choose the time, you can choose logo, you can change the SIM color. Okay, you can choose the logo. Hyundai. Okay, you can check. Belsee is the manufacturer of Android head unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. Let me put all apps are here. It's built in Google Map and the Play Store. It also supports video out. Okay, let me back to home. Let me choose the Belsee logo. Okay, let me show the settings. You can check this upgraded icon color. Button machine, you can check MCU version and the CPU octa-core. Memory size 4 GB. Is PX5 rack chip Android 9 system. Okay. Double click to back. It's built-in Wi-Fi, already connected Wi-Fi. It also can support the hotspot from your phone. Car settings, personal settings. It auto plays music from SD card or USB. This power standby ACC memory. If you can choose 5 minutes. If you choose 5 minutes within car and insert car key, head unit turn on just 1 second. Okay, it's LED panel. You can change green, blue, red, any color. You can adjust this panel. Okay, let me choose the red. Back. Okay. It's driver setting. Turn on the watch video. It's a rear backup camera. Wheel ruler, tracking display, X mirror. This is steering wheel control settings. All our head units supports steering wheel control. Okay, it's factory restore. Please click if you click this restore system to factory settings. Your system will recover original system. All data will be lost. Okay. Its storage, you can check 64 GB. Okay, let me introduce internet. I will put our website belsee.com, Belsee.com. Belsee.com. If you have any more questions, you can contact to us. Okay. Okay, this is Wi-Fi. Let me show the Navy. It's built in Google Maps. Let me search the New York. Okay, it shows New York City. You can touch screen control. Okay. Let me introduce the music. There are two USB. This USB driver. When you connect USB driver, it will play music automatically. Okay. Volume. It shows picture. Okay, this dual screen supports running Google Navigation and music at the same time. Okay. Let me introduce the video. Video disabled driving for safety. So you need to set it in the settings. Volume control. Okay. Let me show the Bluetooth. Let me find my phone. You can check this pin number 40. You need to turn on the Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth from your phone. This is my phone, Galaxy S8. Let me turn on the Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth. Okay. You can click search button. It will search the Galaxy S8 Plus. It's very fast connecting, search and connecting. Your phone will get the command. Please put the 401234. Click OK. Let me try again. Turn on the Bluetooth from your phone. Connecting. It doesn't not connecting. Let me turn off my problem with my phone. Let me restart my phone. It's 40 auto connect. Okay, let me put my password. Okay, it's started. Disconnect and let me enable again. Click pair. Get the put the 401234. Okay, it show Bluetooth icon and show Bluetooth icon connected. Okay, you can make a phone call. Okay, hang up. You can stream music from your phone. Volume control from your phone. Okay, this is Bluetooth. And let me check the radio. This radio. Okay, that's all. Thank you. If you have any more questions, please contact to us.